Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to fix the issue that the account might include sensitive content on Twitter. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, what you can do is you can go over and open up your Twitter. And once you open up your Twitter application, what you may do is go to your Twitter's settings and activity. For that, look out for your profile in the top left corner and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can scroll down and find the option for settings and support and go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on it, you can select the option for settings and privacy and open it up. And within there, you will be finding different settings available. You may scroll down and find the option for privacy and safety. Once you tap on privacy and safety, here you should be finding different options given. You may head over to the option called content you see and tap on it. Now here, what you may do if you want to see the sensitive content on Twitter is you can just go over and turn on the settings for each of them. So you can tap on sensitive media, and once you tap on it, if you want to view graphic violence, adult content, or any other sensitive media, you just need to tap on each. So for example, graphic violence. And once you tap on it, you can select this option called show all or warn. So if you select warn, it will give you a warning, but when you tap on see it, you will be able to see it. So for now, let's say if you want to take warn, you can select that option. And if you want to view adult content, you can tap on it and you can select the option for show all or warn. And once you do so, you can select the other as well. And there also you can select the option for warn or show all and confirm it up. And when you do and open up your Twitter again, your X application again, you should be finding the changes being applied. And whenever sensitive content is displayed on your screen, you won't be having any kind of warning saying that the account might include sensitive content. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to view, you may just head over and follow up the steps for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.